This is our COVID Roundup and CDC update for June 21st, 2024. Since last week, deaths due to COVID have gone up about 17%, which is concerning because deaths are a largely lagging indicator. And as we've seen significant increases in COVID wastewater concentration over the past month, I would only expect this value to increase over the coming weeks. As we move over to the COVID genetic surveillance program, we see that there is still diversification where largely KP3, KP2, and LB1 are making up the predominant variants in circulation. For perspective, KP3 and its subvariants are taking up about 33% of variants in proportion, KP2 about 21%, and LB1 about 17.5%. Switching over to Raj's COVID variant tracker, where again it's a little difficult to follow, so I'm going to put this into a PowerPoint format where overall Raj is showing an increase in KP2 variants, an increase in KP3 variants, and a very slight increase in LB1 variants, with the beginning of a decline in JN1.16 variants. So according to the trends, it looks like KP2 and KP3 are still the ones to watch, and LB1 should not be counted out yet, as that one came late to the party. And it looks like JN1.16 is on its way out. Looking over to the New York State COVID wastewater map, as a reminder, anything that is dark blue is low levels of COVID in the wastewater, anything that is light blue is moderate levels, and anything from yellow to bright red is high levels of COVID in the wastewater. Since last week, it's held relatively constant. However, we have seen a slight increase in severity of the high levels of wastewater. So while about 56% of reporting wastewater facilities are reporting at the highest levels, those have trended upwards in severity. Next, looking over to wastewater scan in California, COVID levels still appear to be increasing in the wastewater. Here it is blown up for a better view. And then we see the same thing when looking to the 194 reporting wastewater facilities to wastewater scan in the US, where the wastewater signals are still trending upwards.